Class 9 Maths, Chapter 2 Exercise. Chapter 8 Exercise, question number 11. Let Px is equal to Ax plus B and Qx is equal to Cx plus D such that P0 is equal to 5. Here we will put P0, यानी कि x is equal to 0, A0 plus B, that is equal to 5. Then B is equal to 5. We have put the value. Now equation will become Ax plus 5. Px is equal to Ax plus 5. Now, the polynomial Px minus Qx cuts the x-axis at 3, 0. And thirdly, the sum of Px plus Qx is equal to 6x plus 4 for the all real x. Find the polynomials Px and Qx. तो मैंने फर्स्ट b की वैल्यू मैंने निकाल ली. अब थर्ड इक्वेशन में हम कर जाएंगे. I will go for the third one. Px plus Qx. That is, अब हम ये लिख लेंगे Ax plus 5 plus Cx plus D is equal to 6x plus 4. 6x plus 4. It is given in the question. Ax, A plus C, x plus 5 plus D, 6x plus 4. Now, AC, 6, A plus C is equal to 6. क्वेश्चन जो है हम इक्वेट करें. नाउ हियर 5 प्लस डी, इसको इक्वेट करेंगे. 5 प्लस डी इज इक्वल टू 4. डी इज इक्वल टू 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. Now our d is minus 1, so we can put the cx minus 1. Qx is equal to cx minus 1. Now here px is equal to ax plus 5. Now we will go to the second one. The polynomial Px minus Qx cut the x-axis at 3, 0. Now, Px minus Qx, Px is our Ax plus 5 minus Cx minus 1. That is equal to 0. 3, 0 पे कट करें, x की जगह हम 3 पुट करेंगे. 3a plus 5 minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. 3a, sorry, 3c. 3a plus c minus 3c plus 1 is equal to 0. a minus c minus 6. a minus c is equal to minus 6 upon 3. That is a minus c is equal to minus 2. Now here a plus c is equal to 6 and a minus 6 is equal to minus 2. तो दोनों को अगर हम ऐड करेंगे by adding 1 and 2, 2a is equal to minus a is equal to 4 and 2, that is 2. Now a is equal to 2. Now we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and d is equal to minus 1. Now let's write the polynomial. Now we have to calculate the c also. Now a minus c is equal to minus 2. a2 minus c is equal to minus 2 minus c minus 4. c is equal to 4. So c is also equal to 4. Now let's write the polynomial px ax plus b. a is 2, 2x plus 5. This is my first. Now qx is equal to cx plus d. c is 4, 4x minus 1. This is my second formula. Thank you, beta. Kindly subscribe my channel for more videos and shorts.